Hey, now, back with another one. Topic of discussion: make money with interior detailing. In this detailing game, you can do a lot with a little. It doesn't take much to clean an interior. You can get excellent results with a drill brush, an all-purpose cleaner, compressed air, and a shop vac. It's very simple and easy to get business from busy mothers, soccer moms, executive women, and stay-at-home moms. See, all these women share similar commonalities. They're all on the go, have multiple children, drive large vehicles, and they would rather have someone else clean their vehicle. See, that's where you, the mobile detailer, comes in. Those commonalities are ingredients for a dirty vehicle and the kids. Man, yeah, you're gonna learn to appreciate those kids after they destroy them back seats and your phone starts ringing and the money starts to add up. Those mothers are looking for someone like you, so make sure you can be found by all social media platforms. This customer actually is selling this vehicle, so she wants it cleaned up for the new customer. This vehicle isn't very dirty. In fact, I had to search for the dirt. My advice to you: when you come across a well-kept vehicle, keep your eyes open. Check everywhere. Also, ask the customer, is there any areas that need special attention? Sometimes there's more than meets the eye. I do this because I want to give the customer the best experience possible. I don't want to leave the customer disappointed. Plus, I want a callback and a referral. I also want the customer to leave me a positive review. Reviews are very important. Don't forget to ask your customers for reviews. It will definitely grow your business over time. Touch as many interiors as you can. This way you can learn the ins and outs of multiple interiors. Some have hidden compartments where children like to put candy wrappers and unfinished snacks. See, when the temperature rises, all those surprises that those kids left behind will start to smell. Those busy mothers will pay top dollar to get rid of that smell. You know, A&A loves the kids. Also, learn how to manipulate the seating. Some will come out while others will flip over. You will have ones that will fold it to the floor. This will allow you to quickly find hidden trash and get to more areas with ease. Plus, you'll be able to easily move throughout the vehicle, especially the third row. You taller guys can definitely attest to that. Trust me when I tell you this, you can make a lot of money cleaning interiors. Once the dough starts rolling in and the business picks up, it's time to level up. Steamers and extractors will be needed to speed up the process and at the same time give you better results. Time is of the essence. The detailer wants to complete multiple interiors a day, so equipment and chemicals are needed. Don't hesitate to purchase it. It only makes sense. I don't get to detail vans often. Every time I get the opportunity to clean a Honda Odyssey, a Toyota Sienna, or any van, I learned something new. Be sure to charge correctly because these type of vans definitely take some time to finish. In my opinion, it takes longer than a Suburban. Well, for me at least. All I can tell you is detail or wash as many vehicles as you can, learn as much as you can, and as time goes by, you will get faster as you gain experience. Then, you will be able to maneuver around any vehicle with efficiency. Hands-on is the best way to learn. One more thing, stop looking for YouTubers to teach you everything. Get out here and learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. There is always a teachable moment from mistakes. I've always been able to get a lot of ideas from YouTube. I learned a few tips, but YouTube has not taught me about the business. It didn't give me the mentality I have, the dedication, the drive, but I have been inspired by a few YouTubers who pointed me in the right direction on a few endeavors. G-Works, salute. What up, sporties? Shout out to Mr. Positive Flow, Eric Jones. Yo, if you really want to do this, you gotta start today. And what I mean by start today is do some research, get some business cards made, purchase equipment, do whatever it takes to start ASAP. You can watch 1,000 videos, ask 100 questions, but you gotta start. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And shouts out to the new wave. Peace.